In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Pinterest to follow your favorite profiles and see who they're following. This is a useful skill for anyone looking to dive deeper into the Pinterest community and discover new sources of inspiration. Whether you're a seasoned Pinterest user or a complete beginner, this guide will help you connect with the content and people you're interested in. First, let's get started by heading over to Pinterest's homepage. If you're not already logged in, this is the time to do so. Logging in is essential because it grants you full access to all of Pinterest's features and assures a personalized experience. Now, once you're logged in, make your way to the search bar at the top. This search bar is your gateway to discovering profiles and content on Pinterest. With the search bar ready, type in the name of the person or account that you're interested in. After you've entered their name, press Enter to see the results. Now, you should see a list of profiles related to your search. Scroll through these until you find the right one. Once you locate it, click on the profile picture or username to enter their profile page. Here you'll find a wealth of curated content, boards, and pins that they've shared or created. Take a moment to browse through the different boards and pins. This can give you an insight into their style and interests, which might align beautifully with your own. Now, to further your connection with their account, you might want to know whom they are following or who follows them. Simply look for the options labeled Followers and Following. These are usually located near the top of their profile, alongside their profile picture. Clicking on Followers will give you a list of people who have chosen to follow this profile. On the other hand, clicking Following will show you the profiles that they are interested in. This is particularly handy if you're searching for influencers or looking for new accounts to follow, as you can see which creators your favorite profiles are engaging with. And there you have it. It's as simple as that. By following these steps, you've explored Pinterest profiles and discovered new potential influences and inspirations. Don't hesitate to click that follow button on profiles that catch your eye. This ensures their content will show up on your home feed, making it easier for you to stay updated with their latest activities and interests. Engaging with the Pinterest community by following and discovering different profiles can really enhance your Pinterest experience, turning it into a highly curated personal space. It's a straightforward process, and with a little bit of exploration, you'll find that Pinterest can be a treasure trove of ideas and creativity.